Hey guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. So I am a bridesmaid in my girlfriend Melissa's wedding. I'm gonna be a bridesmaid on a budget because I have no budget to get the rest of the stuff. I got the dress and I'm going to have to DIY my shoes so they're the exact color the bride wants them, and I'm going to hem my own dress because I don't have a budget to go get it hemmed. I'm gonna get the thread to match it at Joann's. I'm also gonna go get my own lashes, my own makeup stuff, and then I'm going to show you how to actually sew and finagle and DIY the shoes. Let's go.
To help pick the perfect color thread, I would bring a piece of your dress or your actual dress so you can get the correct match.
So first step is prepping the dress. We need to steam it so we get a nice proper line when we cut it and hem it. Has a nice little slit leg action. And then we have some pockets. Ooh. One shoulder. And it has a little belt. Love it. So this is way too long for me. I'm going to have to hem it 5 inches. So let's start with that. And these are the shoes I'm going to wear in DIY. So I measured it for 5 inches with these shoes. We have the bottom of the dress. This is the inner part, and then this is the nice shiny outer part. There's 2 layers to this dress to make it nice and flowy. So we are going to measure 5 inches. I got little pins from Joann's. I have my measuring tape, and I am going to measure. See how it's a little off on this? I'm going to measure 5 inches from the longest one. 5 inches on the seam. I'm folding this inside of itself. I'm going to double check my work. I'm going to take one of my pins and placing it like so to hold it in the spot. So now I'm just going to keep measuring on this top layer, 5 inches all the way around. And I'm going to put pins in every so often.
So starting on the seam, sew a straight line, take your time, and do it as close as you can to that folded over edge, sewing all the way around to the beginning. Cut the excess off, getting as close as you can to the seam, and take your time and be very careful. That's what the first step looks like, folding it under one more time. Once again, starting on the seam, following that same process all the way around to the beginning. Yay, I did it!
These are the shoes I almost gave to Goodwill this week. I'm so glad I didn't do it. So, we are DIYing them because I do not have a budget to buy brand new shoes. They are almost dead, but they're kind of raggedy because of the glue coming up. So I'm going to fix that. I'm going to use some of this Fabrifix adhesive, not the E6000 this time, because last time it was squirting out everywhere and it was really annoying. So when I was at Joann's, the lady told me that the little hack for this one was you take off the cap and use a brush to brush it on, and then you won't use so much glue and waste so much glue for it spewing out everywhere. So let's start with heel number 1. And yes, I have a nub, I have no nail. I just got them done and that had an accident. I got stepped on from my friend. It's a great night out, but I got stepped on and I woke up with no fingernails. So I found this little brush that I don't care about in case the glue dries on it. And I'm just going to start gluing these pieces back together. So I'm in this group chat with all the bridesmaids, and they were talking about, oh, bring your heels to the rehearsal, and I'm like, I forgot to get heels. So I sent a picture to the bride, and she okayed me to DIY these, so that is what I am doing. And this doesn't smell as bad as the 6000. I feel like a traitor, but if it works. So these shoes only have to last one more night, so I am actually going to paint them. The cork doesn't go with the whole wedding theme, so I'm going to paint them with almost the same exact gold, and I already have this paint. And then I'm gonna put sparkles with the Mod Podge, per usual. So that's drying. It actually dried really fast. So this gold paint isn't gonna matter much because we're just gonna be putting a bunch of sparkles on. I'm just kind of putting a base to cover the cork just a little bit.
Utilizing the wet paint, I put my first coat of sparkles on.
Goodbye, cork. Nice knowing you.
I let that first coat dry completely, and then my second coat was Mod Podge, and then I added more sparkles. To give the bride a present, I bedazzled the champagne flute so she had something to drink out of while we got ready. I had to put this in there because I forgot to film this earlier. My favorite way to save money right now is the Ebates app, which is now Rakuten, whatever it's called. You just shop through the app and you get automatic cash back, which they give you a PayPal, or they've even offered to give me an extra % cash back if I choose to turn it into like a Petco gift card or something. But why I'm telling you this is because I used the Rakuten app for my David's Bridal Bridesmaid's purchase, so I got extra cash back for that, and it brought it down to like $134. It also gives you all the coupons that are working for that store at the time, so you get like double discounts, and it helps you save money. This is not sponsored, hashtag not sponsored. I'm just in love with this app, and I decided to share it because it's helped me save money. It's like what? Amazon, Chewy.com, David's Bridal, Groupon, Petco, Forever 21. I've gotten up to like 10% cash back when they're already having their sales. So that's like a gazillion % off at the end of the day. And to date, I have gotten $91.18 back just from shopping on places I would have already shopped. So how to throw that in here, I'll put my link in the description box below so you guys will automatically get $10 back. Also, give it a thumbs up, like this video, comment below, and subscribe. Got my thumbnail back on.
I fixed my nails. So excited. Okay, so I'm with all the bridesmaids about to get ready. I am starting with my bliss. So I'm gonna do my eyeshadow first, and I'm gonna put these under my eyes so it'll prevent all the makeup and eyeshadow from getting everywhere. And it also will help the puffiness because I didn't get any sleep last night. I went to sleep at like 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay, good thing I have a stub because I can actually put this on with my finger. Yay! Usually my nails are way too long to do this. And I can actually get up in there. Now for my illuminating primer, I just got this one that's from e.l.f. Obsessed. It actually has some shine to it, so it gives me a little bit of a glow underneath my makeup. And now I changed it up from ColourPop. I'm now using L'Oreal's Infallible Concealer. Conceal my life right now.
Jumping!
Yay! I'm my personal assistant. Love you, thank you, babe. I can't crease, so I can't look, but I'm using this. Literally, this is what you do to your face when you're trying not to crease. Can't make a face, can't look up, can't look down. And now it's set in, now I can move. As I'm contouring my lips. Bridesmaid!
obsessed with these new Scott Barnes eyelashes. So pretty. And then my new favorite eyelash glue. I'll link that below.
Here's your bridesmaid
Yay!
gift.
Oh my gosh, so cute. Oh my gosh. I got a robe!
Now you have to undress for the camera and then put it on.
Later. Woo! Look at that! How cute!
Thanks.
My name's on it.
Love you, thank you.
Okay, hair time. Ugh. I'm going to take a clip and section it into a bunch of sections. And I'm gonna curl away from my head. So now we have little ringlets.